In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change logo and color in Confluence. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add your company logo and tailor the navigation colors so your Confluence site matches your brand. You'll need administrator permissions to do this. First, open your Confluence homepage and sign in. From there, open Confluence Administration. You can get to it from the settings gear in the header. This takes you into the Admin Center where global appearance settings live. Inside the Admin Center, look for the area called Look and Feel. Open that, then go into Customize Navigation. This is the section that controls the header logo and the colors you see across the top of Confluence. Start with the logo. Select Upload Custom Logo. Then choose Select File to upload or simply drag and drop your image into the uploader. A transparent PNG tends to look great on different backgrounds, but JPGs work too. Aim for a clean, high-resolution image that's not overly wide since the navigation bar is compact. Keep the file size reasonable so pages load quickly. After you pick the file, give it a moment to process. You should see a preview right in the panel so you can confirm it renders crisply at small sizes. Next, adjust the navigation colors so they complement your logo. Open the navigation colors section and start with the highlight color. This usually affects interactive elements and accents in the header. Click Highlight Color to open the color picker. You can choose visually, paste a hex value if you have brand codes, or use the slider to refine the shade. Try to keep good contrast against the background to maintain readability. Then set the background color for the navigation bar. Click Background Color and pick a tone that works with your logo and highlight. Dark backgrounds with light text often improve contrast, while lighter backgrounds can feel cleaner if your logo is dark. If you're unsure, compare a couple of options and watch the live preview to see how icons and text stand out. As a general tip, aim for strong contrast so links and buttons remain accessible to everyone. When you're happy with the logo in both colors, click Save to apply your changes. The update takes effect across your Confluence navigation instantly. If you don't see it right away, refresh your browser. You can return to the same customization area anytime to fine-tune the logo or adjust the colors as your brand evolves. That's it, your Confluence now reflects your brand with a custom logo and cohesive navigation colors.